Hello, my name is Sergey Vashchenko and this is Magento 2 Testing and Optimization video course by Pact Publishing. I was working in Magento 2 team for more than 4 years in development of both Magento 1 and Magento 2 framework. For several years I was sharing my knowledge and experience during various Magento events and meetups. Since the very first release of Magento 2 framework, I have been working on Magento 2 websites and extensions. I actively share useful information in my blog and Twitter. Recently, I recorded Mastering Magento 2 video course for Pact Publishing. That course explains practices involved in developing Magento 2 modules and extensions. This course goes further and covers things each Magento developer should know in addition to just functionality implementation. Magento 2 framework is delivered together a big amount of automated tests and utilities, helping to extend its coverage to newly introduced functionality. So the first section of this course is going through static unit integration, web API, performance, and functional tests. So the first section of the course is going through static unit integration, web API, performance and functional tests, demonstrating how to utilize existing tests and build new, ensuring quality and stability of project, together with decreasing amount of time required for code review, issue investigation and manual testing. Second section of the course is dedicated to Magento 2 areas that have the most impact on website performance, scalability and server load. We'll go through cron jobs, indexers and cache types. It is extremely important to understand these parts of Magento 2 for getting the most of framework performance. Finally, considering the number of websites based on Magento 1, each Magento developer sooner or later should face the migration from first to second version of Magento framework. These two frameworks are so different from technical point of view that the task can be a big challenge. And the third section of the course intended to prepare developers for such migration process. It is covering code and data migration approaches using tools provided by Magento team. To get the most value of this course, you need to have basic knowledge of Magento 2 development. If you don't have Magento 2 development experience, I would highly recommend you to attend Mastering Magento 2 video course first. Throughout your learning experience, feel free to ping me on Twitter, Magento Stack Exchange or Magento forums with any questions or comments. Also, I would really appreciate your feedback.